All right, guys, B plus group is out on grid. We just came off the R9T Racer. What's up, little buddy? How you doing? Make sure you guys are good. All right. The trusty MT, let's head out, do a little bit of patrolling, making sure everyone is acting correctly. I was out in that last A group, or the B plus group, and I'll tell you, it was a good session, all right? So I'm gonna get some heat in these tires as we start. Whoa, what a different feel, obviously, from the R9T Racer, but to go right, that last session was on the R9T Racer to this, woo! So let's get a half a lap warm up. Try not to be in too many people's ways. And check it out, yo. It's been just a great day today, guys. Great day. The weather is I said it earlier, and I laughed when I said it, but we're at optimal operating temperature right now, and I love it. I love it. Turn 5, you can see it looks like a graveyard. It's pretty much where everything has happened today. That's a tough turn because you come up on that blind corner. So, all right, let's go. Let's get some heat in these road 5s. So I haven't been on the MT-09 in a little while. Definitely not riding it like I should be, I'll tell you that much. There we go. Get a little bit more in that power. Work those 3 cylinders. And I gotta remember to get, oh, I was already off. Ooh, yeah. So the R9T, we're looking at trying to get, Wagner's been super into the R3, but the R3 is all fixed up, man. I'm not sure that there's anything much more that we can do that R3. So, she's been talking about trying to get suspension done for this thing, and rear sets, man. Just kind of bummed about the rear sets because they cost so much dang money. Woo, yeah. So we need to get some rear sets on this because I can get, see, I'm so far over on this thing, but I don't mind it. The rear sets where they are, it kind of gives me a little bit more leverage to kind of, because they're somewhat low. Let's see this guy beside me. Because they're somewhat low, it gives me the ability to kind of stand up on the bike a little bit more, if that makes sense. I kind of use the edge of that peg to kind of move my body from left to right. So I kind of like the pegs being a little bit lower, but I gotta be so far over. And I really would like a damper on this thing. I'm starting to ride it where I'm getting a little bit of jiggle in the front end. I think I would like a damper. Oh, what a day, guys. The smile I have on my face right now. So thank you guys for staying tuned. already, smash that subscribe button if you guys like this content. If you guys are really enjoying this this content, please smash that like button and leave me a comment down below if you guys like this on-track stuff. I enjoy the on-track stuff. I really enjoy the on-track stuff. So we're gonna pull both of these guys in. One's riding really slow and one's clearly trying to coach him. So that's a no-no. At any organization, I don't believe anybody allows just guys to do that. And they're running at a very, very slow pace. So we're in the B+ group. We should be running a much faster pace than this. So we're gonna pull them in, and the red bike needs to go into the B- group, and the black bike just needs to not be looking back. So safety is our #1 priority here at Cali Track Days. So we want to make sure that everyone's riding safe. And so when you've got people looking behind you, you know, I've got 4 people behind me, these 2 guys, and then we've got, you know, there's Sean McDonald, he's a fast guy. So we're gonna pull them in. He's way back there. So we want safety because we don't need the guy in front to be looking back. You know, he was looking back when we had 3 or 4 different riders trying to pass him. You know, he's in the middle of the track doing 100 miles an hour looking behind him. So and the guy on the Suzuki definitely needs to pick it up. So we're gonna pull them both in. We've got a hard object. Oh, we've got the cone here, which I'm gonna hop out and grab after I talk to them. So we'll talk to them individually and get them going a little bit better pace. Is that your pace?
No, I can start a little faster.
Okay. So you need to be in the B- group. You can't ride at that speed in the B+ group, okay? Is he coaching you?
He's just...
Okay. Okay. So I want to move you at lunch to the B-. I think you'll have more fun and you'll hold up a lot less people, okay? So at lunch, come to me at registration and I'll grab your B- sticker, or your B+ sticker. So bring your bike to registration at lunch and I'll swap you out, okay? I want you to ride in the B-. I think you'll have a better time too. Okay? You're all set. We don't allow on-track coaching. So looking back like that,
oh, that's fine.
really, really unsafe. Okay? Are you at his pace?
Oh no,
you're way faster?
I don't have an A group. So.
Okay. So, well, if you're running his pace, you got to be in the B- group. If you're going to run a fast...
Oh, I get what you're
saying. Yeah. He's going to the B- group, okay?
Oh, you're moving him down?
Yeah, I'm going to move him down.
You know, so that last pace, I'm an instructor for Beale Air Force Base.
Okay.
That last run, I was just showing him lines. So
okay. Yeah, but you're looking back behind you.
No, you don't understand.
No, I do understand.
His pace is okay for B+. We brought it down to like 50% so we could get better.
But you can't ride at 50% in the B+.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Yeah. So.
Show him some lines.
Okay.
I mean, if you guys want to instruct him instead, that's fine too.
we're here to instruct. Yeah. So if
That's what I'm saying. You'd be fine in B+.
Okay.
If you guys want to just instruct them.
okay, perfect. Yeah, just don't be looking back.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Sometimes it's like this, you know, you got, you kind of got this, like, these people that, you know, oh, I'm an instructor here and I'm an instructor there. That's great. You know, you're a guest. I don't, you know, when I'm out riding with other people, I'm a guest, and so we want to make sure that we're riding nice and safe, and I obey. If you guys have seen the Z2 video, you know, the Sonoma video, you know, I'm a guest. I'm a guest at their track day. I paid to be there, and I'm there to enjoy and have a good time. So, yeah, so I'm gonna pop out and grab this cone and bring it in a little bit, because it was really close. But a great day, guys. So I won't bore you with this long walk out here. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching the MT-09 video. But until next video, we will see you then. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. I would enjoy it. Smash the like button. Leave me a comment down below. The walk back. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this beautiful day. All right, guys. See you next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.